If you want to start to read the Bible and you don't know where to start, please listen to this.
First, you're going to need a Bible, preferably a physical Bible. Judy and I use the NIV, the New International Version, but any version which you're comfortable with is okay. Second, you're going to need a notebook, a planner, a journal, whichever you prefer, very important. And then, of course, you're going to need a pen. Did I forget anything else?
I think also the most important thing is a quiet room.
Yes, very important. Avoid distractions. That way you can really concentrate and give yourself and your time to God.
Please also let us know in the comments below what are the necessities that you use for your Bible study. Another question that I had when I started reading the Bible is sometimes I get lost and I get confused. How can I help if this comes again?
I think the best thing, because when you're starting out, you're not yet in the rhythm, so it might be boring in quotes because you need to spend time in the Bible, in the Word. I will prefer for you to have a virtual company. Could be a podcast or a YouTube video or an audio of an actual Bible study. An example is the Bible study podcast, where the guy is reading the Bible verse by verse, and you can accompany that as he adds some commentaries as you go along.
Okay.
Another thing could be find a study partner. It could be your roommate, your husband or wife if you're married, your siblings if you're still living with them. That can help you along with. Or even join a Bible study group, virtual or physical. So join a Bible believing community, church, or even your friends, form a Bible study group and be together.
Thank you.
Don't forget to leave us more tips. I know some people use highlighters, sticky notes, so we would love to see what are your essentials.
Yeah.
Until next time,
Bye.